Is your iPhone stuck in sleep mode and you're missing important notifications? Don't worry, it's an easy fix. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to turn it off and how to delete it for good so it never happens again. First, look at the top of your screen. If you see that little bed icon, sleep focus is active. To kill it instantly, swipe down from the top right to open your control center. You'll see the sleep button highlighted. Tap it once. The icon turns gray, the bed disappears, and you're back in action. But wait, if your iPhone keeps switching back to sleep mode on its own, you need to do this next step. Open settings, tap on focus, select sleep. From here you can customize who can reach you, or better yet, scroll to the bottom. And if you're done with this feature entirely, hit delete focus. Confirm it and it's gone. This is how you take back control of your iPhone. If this saved you a headache, please hit that like and subscribe button for more nonsense tech tips. Ever wonder how to soft reset an iPhone? Check out this video now.